You know I'm down for you, girl. You know I ride for you, girl. My Beyonce.
Hi, I'm Chanel and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you just stopped to watch my video. No, seriously, I'm really appreciative. So we're just doing a high ponytail today, and I already washed my hair and I'm just taking it down because I put it in these little plaits, these little cute things you see on my head, and I'm just taking them down so I can put it in a ponytail.
Yeah, shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, she called me when she want me. Yeah. You was there when I was by myself, so you can get the Dolce. I'ma sip on rose. Yeah, my baby fleek I'm saucing. Yeah, together we just bossing. Yeah, like 3 years of counting. Yeah, cause you was there since day one. Yeah, so loyal A1. Yeah, they hit you cause you got me, but don't listen to them cause that's them. Cause they don't really know what's going on. Yeah, I like when you wear my shirts with just your thong. Yeah, you never gotta worry about my phone. Yeah, I love you so I would never do you wrong. Yeah, we been through thick and thin just like a comb. Yeah, I'm back up in my zone. They copy us like clones. Oh, them freaky things you do. Shawty my baby, my everything. She the truth. Together we cool. Me and her, we just can't lose. Yeah. Keep them on their feet, baby. You know they so confused. Cause Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah. Cause we that couple, they dissing. Pray we fall, yeah, they wishing.
I'm just touching up my edges with a little bit of edge control, and I'm going to break down the top of my hair to prepare for the tracks.
They wishing, baby, getting that money, got every nigga just wishing. My girl bad, she the bomb. Swag so hot like the sun. Yeah, we be getting freaky, yeah, I'm beastin', please do not run. Nah, cause you know how I do, baby. That's me, nothing new, baby. That ring for you, baby. No lie on the truth, baby. Cause when I'm down, you down. And when I'm fly, you fly. Yeah, baby. And you never gave up on that. Cause you know I'm that guy. Yeah. And I go to the moon for you. I do it all for you. And that's real, you know I love you. She say I'm her fiance. So don't listen what my ex say. No. Oh, them freaky things you do. Shawty my baby, my everything. She the truth. Together we cool. Me and her, we just can't lose. Yeah. Keep them on their feet, baby. You know they so confused.
So let's get into this bang. You're going to start off at your hairline. The tracks closest to your hairline are going to be longer. And as you lay the tracks on top of each other, they're going to taper off one by one. So each track should be a little bit shorter than the one you just placed. So when you get to the base of the ponytail, it'll be like you're making a triangle. After you get those tracks laid, go ahead and just comb it out and cut it to your liking.
Feet, baby, you know they so confused. Cause Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah.
This is just a little clip showing y'all how I wrap my hair around my braid. And when I got to the bottom of the braid or the shaft of the braid, I took a little bit of that track hair and wrapped it around. But y'all, it came out so cute. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce. Yeah, Shawty my Beyonce.